Hi there, it's Dr. Scott McLean, and I'm so excited to show you this. This is the LiteSet Nobel Active and Nobel Parallel non-guided kit. Let's have a look inside and we can see how amazing this is tucked together, because we are looking at a new innovation in how we're going to sterilize this and utilize this. So the kit starts out having two sets of drills, so 18 millimeter and also the 13 millimeter drills. You can see that they're all put out together, so you're not going to look for them during surgery. We also have direction indicators, and then there's bone mills. Look at this, all organized, laid out snugly, so they're not going to fall around and you won't be losing them. The screw taps and the cortical drills are laid out according to parallel or active implant systems. And you can see they're easy to find, and there's bone charts that tell you what to do in soft, medium, and dense bone. The implant drivers are laid out in 3: narrow platform, regular platform, and wide platform, each having 2 different lengths. Of course, we can see the unigrip and the screwdriver here that can be used in the torque wrench above. And so this is all laid out in a very beautiful system, and it's called the LiteSet. So you got to get your hands on this. It's pretty incredible. My first impression is, where have you been all my life? Because I always have wanted a smaller kit, and we'll show you why. But look how small this is. It's relative to the other one. This is the Pure Set kit that I currently use. It's half the size. So it's incredible that they've done this and put it all in one kit, which is going to be very, very useful. Our office is not huge, so this is the LiteSet kit. Now let's talk to our sterilization team. We're going to talk to Oliver, and we'll go through this in a few details. So let's see what he's up to and see what he thinks about this system. We're here from Oliver, who is the head of our sterilization in our office. And so you're trying out the new LiteSet Nobel Active Nobel Parallel kit. Now what's your first thoughts when you're looking at this?
It's really impressive, like for the seats, like really where everything maintained properly. The size is compact and very small, for easy for Lexas if the Lexa is big, and I think it's gonna be very good for you too. It's gonna be like compact, where you don't have to like worry about like small things or big things. Yeah. Hey there, it's Oliver from Trimac Dental Center. I'm the head of sterilization, and we received a new LiteSet for NobelBiocare. Let me show you something fun about this kit. First of all, we are going to be the comparison. You see the comparison? Non-guided, non-guided. The piece we received. The fun thing I like about this kit is, even I flip, not a single piece is gonna come out. While for this, I always struggle with that. And all the compounds are like perfectly organized. It makes it easier. Let me show you something else too. When I keep this kit in Lexa, it makes room for other prostate kit too. While when I was using the non-guided one, I had to remove all the kit. I can show you an example what I mean. You see, when I'm trying to fit in, I'm not able to fit in. So what I need to do is take the whole setup out and then keep the non-guided one, which makes it more compact compared to this one. While this one, I can fit easily 2 non-guided kit plus the prostate. We're gonna show you how we are wrapped in a minute. We've got 2 wraps here. You might be wondering why I have 2 wraps here. The reason I have 2 wraps, because it's a protocol for sterilization. It makes easy for the sterilization and better treatment with implants. Please forget to keep the strips. And here We start with wrapping one, make it tight and perfect, like a Christmas wrap. You see how small is it compared to the non-guided, the big one? Like a chocolate box. The second wrap. The main reason we use the two wraps is like whenever we have treatments or surgeries, we open the first wrap and the second wrap is only open before the treatment starts, which makes it more sterile and proper for the treatments when fitting the implants. So it's very important. I'm gonna show you what I mean when I say how it's perfect. You see, it's gone. Frosted it, and I have still more wraps to fit in, and I can easily start without worrying to wait for anything else. While you see here, let me show you what I mean. You see the difference here? I have to remove the whole setup. Do it like that. And then this. You see how difficult it is? And I really love the innovation. It can find everything in small bit without worrying to fall down with any particles. Because I always struggle with the particles while falling out from there. So this kit is an ideal kit.
So we've got Nobel Parallel Active, just like the other kit, all in one. But we also have the 18mm drills in this as well. So this is a non-guided kit.